students, to the physical properties of aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acids. So far in this chapter we have studied methods of preparation and classification of aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acids. What we study in physical properties of compounds? We study their nature of bond present between them. We study about their physical state, about their melting point, boiling point and solubility. For these functional groups also we have to study all these points. First we will start with nature of intermolecular forces. We know carbonyl bond or carbonyl carbon is the very important part of these three characteristic functional groups. Carbon and oxygen is having double bond between them. Carbon and oxygen, they have quite different electronegativities, means oxygen has higher electronegativity than carbon. Therefore, shared pair of electron will get shifted towards oxygen, and therefore partial negative charge will be there on oxygen and partial positive charge we say delta plus and delta minus. As poles are created on these atoms, therefore such bond is called as polar bond. Therefore such bond is called as polar bond. And due to polar covalent bond, these molecules orient in such a way. These molecules, when we take many molecules of aldehyde and ketone, these molecules orient in such a way to have oppositely polarized atoms facing each other. Oppositely polarized atoms means carbon of first molecule will face towards oxygen of second molecule and vice versa. Oxygen of second molecule will face to the carbon of first molecule. In carboxylic acids, this discussion was only for aldehydes and ketones. In carboxylic acids, we have carboxyl group, that is C double bond O and OH. C double bond O and OH. OH bond is responsible in carboxylic acid. OH bond is responsible for formation of hydrogen bonding. OH bond in carboxylic acid forms hydrogen bonding, and therefore it has strongest intermolecular force of attraction than aldehydes and ketones. In carboxylic acid it has strongest intermolecular force of attraction than aldehydes and ketones. After finishing with intermolecular force of attraction or nature of bond between aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid, let us move to second property, that is physical state and boiling points of aldehydes and ketones. In this point we will consider these 2 points for aldehydes and ketones. First member of aldehyde, we know it is formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is gas. Formaldehyde is gas at room temperature with irritating odor. Second member of aldehyde is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde is liquid at room temperature. It is volatile liquid at room temperature. Therefore, its boiling point is low. Higher aldehydes are solids with pleasant odor. Among ketones, first member is acetone. Acetone is liquid at room temperature. Again it is volatile liquid, therefore its boiling point is very less and it has pleasant odor. If we discuss about boiling points of aldehydes and ketones, as atomic or molecular masses of aldehydes and ketones in their homologous series increases, boiling points also increases. Students, now we will move to solubility of aldehydes and ketones. Means whether they are soluble in water or not. For lower members of aldehyde students, carbonyl carbon bond or carbonyl group is associated with, or this carbonyl group is involved in hydrogen bonding with water molecule. You can see in this diagram I have shown hydrogen bonding by dotted line. Minus delta charge is present on carbon oxygen and plus delta charge is present on hydrogen. This hydrogen is of water molecule and this oxygen is of aldehyde or ketone compound. And this oxygen and this hydrogen, they are forming hydrogen bond, and therefore lower member of aldehydes or ketones, they are soluble in water due to hydrogen bonding. As molecular mass increases, alkyl groups goes on increasing, means hydrocarbon part of aldehydes goes on increasing as molecular mass increases, and as hydrocarbon mass or hydrocarbon part goes on increasing, the extent of hydrogen bonding goes on decreasing. Therefore, aldehydes or members with higher molecular mass, their solubility in water goes on decreases as molecular mass increases. Students, now we will move to physical state, boiling point and solubility of carboxylic acids. In carboxylic acids, we know very well COOH is the functional group. First member of carboxylic acid family is formic acid. Second member is acetic acid, and so on with carbon number increases. First few members of carboxylic acid family, they are colorless liquids with irritating odor up to 9 carbon atoms. Means members of carboxylic acid up to 9 carbon atoms, they are colorless liquids with irritating odor, and then few more higher carboxylic acids are wax like solids. Next is about boiling point of carboxylic acid. Boiling point of carboxylic acid is higher than alkanes, ethers, alcohols, aldehydes, carboxylic acid, ketones of comparable molecular masses. Important thing, student, boiling points of carboxylic acid is higher than alkane, ether, alcohols, aldehydes and ketones of comparable molecular masses. Now you will think why it is so? Because the hydrogen bonding in carboxylic acid molecules is so strong, it is dual hydrogen bonding. Because when you take two carboxylic acid molecules in liquid state, students, they form double hydrogen bond with each other. How? Please see. It is oxygen of first carboxylic acid molecule and hydrogen of second carboxylic acid molecule. This oxygen of carbonyl carbon and or carbonyl bond and hydrogen of second carboxylic acid molecule, they are forming hydrogen bonding. Delta minus, delta plus. Here, hydrogen of first carboxylic acid molecule and oxygen from carbonyl bond of second carboxylic acid molecule, they are again forming hydrogen bond. And this hydrogen bond is responsible for higher boiling point in case of liquid state of carboxylic acid. And among carboxylic acids, as molecular mass increases, if you consider formic acid, acetic acid, means carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3, carbon 4, as number of carbon atoms increases, so as molecular mass increases in carboxylic acid, boiling point also increases, goes on increasing. Students, when we discuss about solubility of carboxylic acid in water, carboxylic acid molecules or members of carboxylic acid up to 4 carbon atoms. They are miscible in water because they are capable to form hydrogen bonding with water molecule. Therefore, first 4 members of carboxylic acid, they are soluble in water. As molecular mass increases, their solubility decreases because higher molecular mass carboxylic acids cannot form hydrogen bonding with water. The reason behind insoluble nature of higher molecular mass carboxylic acids in water, students, as molecular mass increases, the hydrocarbon part of carboxylic acid increases, and therefore the hydrophobic interaction, water repelling hydrophobic interaction between hydrocarbon part of carboxylic acid and water increases, and therefore they are insoluble in water. Benzoic acid, you may have heard, it is the example of aromatic carboxylic acid. Benzoic acid is also practically insoluble in water due to the hydrophobic interaction only. Therefore, important part, hydrophobic interaction, is responsible for insoluble nature of some members of carboxylic acids. Compounds or members of carboxylic acid which are soluble in water, they are also soluble in organic solvents like benzene, etc.